If you want to stop tank or pipe leaks for good, you gotta know how to spot cracks or loose joints before they turn into a total nightmare. So, first off, don't just wait until you see water pooling somewhere weird. Regularly check your tanks and pipes by running your hands along them to feel for any wet spots or soft areas that could mean a leak is hiding. If you see any cracks, small or big, mark them and get ready to fix them as soon as possible. For joints, make sure they're tight but not over-tightened because that can actually cause leaks too. Use a waterproof sealant or pipe tape around the joints if you notice any drips starting to form. If you find a crack, sometimes epoxy putty or special leak repair tape works wonders until you can do a permanent fix. Always release pressure from the system before you mess with any pipes so you don't end up spraying water everywhere. Lastly, keep an eye on your water meter or tank level to catch leaks that aren't super obvious. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with tank or pipe leaks is ignoring small cracks because they think it's no big deal, but those can quickly grow and cause major damage. Another common issue is using the wrong type of sealant or tape that isn't designed for water systems, which means the leak won't actually stop and you're wasting time and money. Also, a lot of folks tighten pipe joints way too much, thinking it'll help, but it actually damages the threads and makes leaks worse. The fix is to tighten just enough and use proper sealing materials. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you're not stuck guessing who to call for fixing leaks or any other home project. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you find work easily by matching you with people nearby who need your skills right away.